We had an occasion to call Baker Brothers. We had two of our restrooms weren't running, had all kind of issues with them. And I was desperately looking for plumbers, and I called Baker Brothers. The receptionist was so friendly and responsive, and we set up an appointment for the very next day. And I was impressed when the technician, I think they call him, came to my house. They were certain to to cover their shoes. They asked questions about what we needed done. He examined the bathrooms. And what really impressed me, when he took out the existing toilets, he wrapped them all in plastic, taped them up. Not a drop of water was dripped anywhere. He took it all out, came back in, put in the new facilities in both places within an hour or less. And I was so pleased with his responsiveness, with how he answered my questions. We've had no problem out the system at all. I highly recommend Baker Brothers to any of my friends, family, church members, anyone I come in contact with. I've been singing Baker Brothers praises. Great job, Baker Brothers.